Canon VIXIA Mini X digital camera camcorder. .8 MP high sensitivity CMOS image sensor. Key innovations included a large, built-in stereo microphone for clear recording with minimal noise. With one-touch switching between wide and close-up modes. Electronic image stabilization helps reduce camera shake when shooting close-up. The VIXIA Mini X is equipped with a genuine Canon f/2.8 fisheye lens to give your videos a look that conventional camcorders and cameras can't match. The ultra-wide-angle lens provides a 150 degrees angle of view during AVCHD recording, a 160 degrees angle of view for MP4 video and 170 degrees angle of view for still images, allowing the camcorder to capture scenes with your subject and everything around them. The wide shots have the outer edge perspective typical of a fisheye lens. Shooting at a focal length of 17.5 mm when recording AVCHD, 16.8 mm for MP4 and 15.4 mm photos. And a centered 1920 by 1080 image is also available to record videos, 1920 by 1440 for stills. With a more classic look with close-up mode, which shoots at 35.0 mm for videos and 32.1 mm for photos. And captures more light, for brighter, noise-free images even in dark scenes. The Canon HS system provides excellent tracking performance even with low light levels, to achieve outstanding still image quality. An auto-dynamic range control and new gamma curve settings prevent over and under exposure. Even when capturing high contrast images, the end result is clearer HD videos and still images with reduced noise and motion blur in a variety of shooting situations. The versatile VIXIA Mini X camcorder offers a choice of two full HD video recording formats to convenient SD format memory cards. To purchase Canon VIXIA Mini X digital camera camcorder, please visit the link in the description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.